Hi, it's Mrs. Holbrook. For our warm-up, let's sing our vowels today. A, apple, a. E, ad, I, itch, O, octopus, U, up, Nice singing. Are these short vowels or long? That's right, they're short. So if we were to mark them, what would we put over top of their heads? We would put a brev. It looks like a smile. Everybody smile. And take your hand and make a brev for our short vowels. Great. And now let's look at these right here. So far this year, we've talked about OA, boat O, and OE, toe O. And today, we're going to talk about this picture right here. I know it's a little tiny. I'll get a bigger one in a moment. But it's OW. And OW actually has two different sounds it makes in words. That's why the picture is a snow plow. OW can say O, like snow, or OW can say ow, like plow. So let's take a look and practice learning these. Here's a zoomed in picture of our foundations cue for OW. Let's look at some different words. So up here, this is the plow. All of these OWs say ow, like plow or cow. And these ones down here say oh, like snow or low. Okay, so now that you know all of these ones up here are going to say ow, you only have to blend the first letter into it. So let's try reading them together. Bow will go down. Cow, cow. Ow, how. And remember, we don't want any space when we blend. Stretch that first consonant into the ow. Now, now. Sow, sow. Vow, vow. Wow, wow. Chow. And ooh, a blend, consonant blend. Plow, plow. There's our plow. Great reading, everyone. Let's try the OWs now. Bow, bow. Low, mow, row, sow, toe, blow, crow, flow, glow, grow, show, slow, snow, stow. So you might be thinking, if you're reading a book and you see OW, how do you know which to say? Is it O or is it ow? Well, the more you read, you're going to start to pick up on which words have which patterns. But if you try O and it doesn't make sense, then you should try the other sound. That's a strategy that you can use. And all of these OW words aren't things you're expected to master for spelling yet, but we want you to be able to know the sounds and read them. So we have one more new thing today. Don't you love all this new learning? And I wanted to talk about ick. That's right, it's a little icky. Now, when we have a one-syllable word and you hear ick at the end, you know it's CK, like in lick. But guess what? When it's a two-syllable word and it's at the end of the word, it's not CK anymore. It's just IC for ick. I know this is tricky, but you can do it. So guys, one-syllable word with k at the end, it's CK. Two-syllable word with ick at the end, it's IC. Let's read through these words. I want you to read me all the words that are just one syllable. Lick, trick, thick. They all have CK at the end. They're one syllable. Let's look at this column. Sick, stick, and chick. Good. Now look at all the two-syllable words. They just have IC for the second part of the syllable. Public, public. Panic, panic. Clinic, clinic. Static, static. Frantic, frantic. Okay, Let's take a deep breath, and now we're going to do some dictation where you'll have to decide CK or IC. Get your paper, your crayons, whatever you're writing with ready, and get ready to tap these words and write them. Okay, your first word is frantic. Say frantic. If you're frantic, you're kind of like going wild. Everything's a little hectic and crazy. Frantic. Let's listen to how many syllables. Fran, tick. 2 syllables, and I hear tick at the end. Remember, when it comes at the end of 2 syllables, it's IC, frantic. Let's go ahead and all write it together. Tap out as you need while you sound it out. Fran, oh look, there's a glued sound in there. There's the first syllable. Fran, tick, tick, ick, ick. I know it's just IC because it's at the end of a 2-syllable word. Let's scoop the syllables. Frantic. This one is closed in because the vowel's closed in here, so it's a short A. Here's the vowel. This one's closed in too. 2 closed syllables. Okay, here's your next word. Tick. You know, like a tick is in the woods, a deer tick. How many syllables? Tick. Just 1. So when we hear k at the end of a 1-syllable word, you know what that means. Tap it and spell it. Ick. Okay, let's scoop it. It's 1 syllable. It's a closed syllable with a short I. So take a look. This says tick and this says tick. But they're spelled differently because this tick is just a part of a whole word. It's a syllable. And since it's the 2nd syllable with ick, it's IC. This one is a word all on its own. So it's the end of the word, 1-syllable word, so it's CK. Nice job on those. Here come some more words. Okay, your first word is plastic. How many syllables? Plastic. Tap them, write them. Pause here. Your next word, sick. How many syllables? Sick. Tap it, write it. Pause here. One more word, public. How many syllables? Public. Tap them, write them. Then get ready to check with mine. Okay, let's check your words. Let's start with plastic. Let's scoop it. The syllables between the 2 consonants. Plas. That's closed in with a short A. And it's 2 syllables with tick, so it should be IC. It's closed and it's a short I. Plastic. Let's check sick. 1-syllable word closed in, so it's a short I, and it should be the digraph CK. Let's mark that digraph because it's a 1-syllable word. And our last word, let's scoop it between the consonants. Public. Closed syllable with a short vowel, and it's a closed syllable with a short vowel, and it's IC because it's at the end of a 2-syllable word. Let's read over all the words we wrote. Frantic, tick, plastic, sick, public. Excellent. Make sure you can read them smoothly and you fixed up any mistakes you might have made. Now for a sentence. Repeat after me. Is there a cupcake inside your backpack? I'm going to put lines for all those words because I know it's a long one. Let me go ahead and erase all of our hard work. And since I don't have word frames, I'm going to go with this nice pretty pink. Okay, here's the words. Is there a cupcake inside your backpack? How many words? That's right, 7. Is there a cupcake inside your backpack? Go ahead and pause here to write your sentence and then we'll check it together. Okay, can you help me check mine and check yours too? I'll read it to you, and you need to point to each word and make sure you have them all. Is there a cupcake inside your backpack? Okay, first thing, can we all please check that we started and ended the right way? Did I start the right way? Whoa, everyone's yelling at me. Okay, you're right. I didn't do a capital I. Let me fix that right up. Much better. See, sometimes you don't even have to erase. You can just fix it up. And did I put an end mark? What do you mean it's not right? Oh yeah, this is a question, so I need a question mark. There we go. Okay, next, let's check all the trick words. Is a trick word. I did that one right. There. Yeah, that's a trick word. A is a trick word. I know that's right. Your. You think that looks funky? Your. I did it the way it sounds. Oh, but the part that makes it tricky, you're right. It's Y-O-U-R. That tricky you. Okay. Guys, we all make a lot of mistakes. Thanks for helping me fix mine. Now we have 3 words that we have to tap out and check. This one's supposed to be cupcake. Let me tap out what I did. Up, cup, cack, cupcack. Oh, how do I make this say cupcake? I need that A to say A. Oh, it's vowel consonant E, okay. So it's gotta be A, K, E, cupcake. Okay, that one's good. Let's check this one. Inside. That looks good. Let's check this one. Backpack. Okay, it looks like backpack. Oh, you're right. I need to have CK. Yes, it's at the end of 2 different one-syllable words. It's only just C at the end if it's ick, not ack, only ick. Icky words have ick at the end of 2 syllables. Okay, I think I checked everything. Now I need to scoop it and read it. Is there a cupcake inside your backpack? I think I can get smoother. Is there a cupcake inside your backpack? Is there a cupcake inside your backpack? I hope not. The frosting's going to get everywhere. All right, my friends. Great job with all your learning today. We have one last thing. We have a new trick word to learn. And today's trick word is little. There it is. Little. Let's get our arms ready. Get the tip of your pen ready to write. And here we go. Straight out. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Take your little finger and write it. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. All right, my friends, I want you to make sure you're doing lots of reading this week, enjoying your day, and practicing all of your spelling and writing. Bye-bye. Bye.